You know your loved one shouldn't be driving any longer, but you're having difficulty having that conversation with. This is a tough conversation. This is a last piece of independence that they're hanging on to, and they don't want to hear it. I'm Debbie Humphrey, owner of Home Helpers of Clearwater. And in our last video, we talked about the signs to look for when we need to take away the keys from our senior loved one. Today, we're going to talk about how to have that conversation. Number one is addressing the problem. Many times I reference my own mother, and this isn't a funny story, but it did happen. One day I talked to her about her driving and giving up her driver's license, which she didn't want to do. And she told me that that day when she drove herself to the doctor's office, that she only had to pick up her leg once to move it from the gas pedal to the brake. That's a little concerning. And my conversation with her was, if you don't care about yourself, please think about the other person on the road that you might have an accident with and hurt them. So number two is patience and empathy. It is concerning for them to give up their independence. This is that last piece of independence. They want to know, how am I going to get to bingo? How am I going to get to the grocery store? How am I going to go get my hair done? I can't go anywhere. I can't rely on people to do all of this for me. And this transitions into number three, review the options. There are other options. There are friends that can take your senior loved one places. There's always Uber, Lyft, people that they may know from their church that would be more than happy, or other family members that can arrange their schedule to take them to places that they need to go. As well, Home Helpers does provide transportation. We can make sure your loved one gets to their doctor's appointments, their hair appointments, gets to the grocery store, and to the places that they need to go. And number four, leverage the doctor's authority. When you're at a doctor's appointment with them, ask the doctor to reiterate the dangers and concerns of your loved one driving. Maybe you speak to the doctor in advance before you take your loved one to the doctor. Sometimes coming from a medical professional, a senior is more willing to take it from a stranger than from a family member that it's time to give up the driver's license. If you would like more information about this topic or having this conversation with your senior loved one, please go to our website at homehelpershomecare.com/Clearwater.